So this afternoon we're going to head down to Savannah Sound, and it should be low tide, so have a good beach walk. That beach is good for going for walks, not so much for swimming. Down here, and I don't know if you can see it, it's right out over there. There's one little shipwreck over there, and I'll try to take a picture of it because I can zoom better with that. And then there's another one straight out here, and I can't tell what that one is. That's better. I don't know what that is. We won't know till we get home. But it does look like it's broken or something because you can see through it.
It's either a trimarine or
something. I don't know what that thing is on the top though. Well, if it's upside down, I don't know. I'll zoom in more when we get home. Okay, mystery solved. It's a trimaran and it's upside down. Now that we went a little farther, I can see what it is. Where it came from, I don't know. Well, and here is another part of a boat. I don't know if that goes to that other boat that shipwrecked, or this is a totally different one. I suppose you could look up that number. And some more boat parts. And more shipwreck boat parts. Some right ahead. And then you got some up in the bushes. Probably some down there too. Yeah, looks like more down there. This is kind of a funky thing. Well, there's plenty of shipwrecks around here. Down in Savannah Sound. There's another part, and here's the rudder part with the propeller and the remnants of what used to be the motor. And I don't think it's going to work anymore. No, he's gone. I see him, but I don't think the camera can see him. There's a little tiny baby shark. Another little shark out there.
See his tip.
I just saw his tip again.
Nursery school.
Yeah. Safe in here. Looks like a dinosaur backbone. Buried here for centuries. Eons, millions of years. Actually, it's just a tree. See all these look like sticks sticking up in the water? These are little mangrove plants, and they're starting to grow all through here. Whether they'll take hold, I don't know. You know, it could be that they will, and if the weather stays cooperative enough, they'll grow, and this will turn into a little, it could be a little island. saw a few creatures, some shipwreck stuff, some shipwrecks, but little baby, I was hoping for bigger sharks and more turtles, but maybe next time.
We saw lots of turtles. It's just
They were
just
little and they just popped their heads up and that was it. Pop up, grab a breath, off they go.